In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit an assignment in Google Classrooms for the year 2025. Whether you're a student navigating through your first online class, or someone who simply needs a refresher, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have all the skills needed to confidently submit your assignments without any hassle, so let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to classroom.google.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure to use the account that's linked to your schoolwork to avoid any confusion. If you're doing this from your personal device, you might already be signed in, or you may need to log out of other accounts first. After successfully logging in, you'll see a dashboard with all your active classes. Now you want to find the class where your assignment is due. Simply look for the class title and click on it. The screen will then show you the various tabs specific to that classroom. The next step requires you to navigate to the classwork tab, which you'll find at the top of the page. This section houses all the assignments and quizzes and related materials posted by your teacher. In the Classwork tab, scroll down to locate the specific assignment you need to submit. Once you spot it, click on it. A detailed view of the assignment will come up, complete with instructions, due dates, and any accompanying materials your teacher may have attached. Now you're ready to attach your work. Click on the button labeled Add or Create. This action allows you to upload files directly from your Google Drive. If your assignment involves documents, slides, spreadsheets, or drawings, and you haven't created them yet, you can easily make them from this menu. On the other hand, if your files are stored on your computer and not on Google Drive, you'll prefer to use the Upload option. This will let you select files directly from your local storage, making it simple to add items like PDFs, images, or any other file types your teacher has approved. Once you've got all your files worked out and everything looks ready to go, you'll want to submit all these attachments to your teacher. To do so, click on the Turn In button. Google Classrooms will prompt you with a confirmation dialog just to ensure that you're really ready to hand in your work. This is a good opportunity to double check everything one last time. If you're sure you're all set, simply confirm by clicking Turn In once more. And with that final confirmation, your assignment is officially submitted. You might feel a slight rush of relief knowing that's out of the way, and you can now move on to your next task or just relax. That's it for this tutorial on submitting assignments in Google Classrooms. I hope you found this guidance clear and that you now feel equipped to tackle your upcoming assignments with ease. Thanks for watching and happy studying.